Because we don't need to add any more objects or controls to the form, I've closed the toolbar and sized down the properties. Also, we won't be using them very much either. Okay, programming. We don't really have a main routine here, but it makes sense to put them in sort of the order of the keys. I guess personally I would put head 1 and head 2 together since they're so similar. Just double-click to launch the edit window for the code. First thing I'm going to do is put in some basic top-of-code documentation. Okay, so what do I need to do when they click on the button that says Head 1? Well, I need to make Head 2 invisible, make Head 1 visible. I need to change the color of the buttons, so I do have at least 4 things to do. So what was the name of the thing? Pick. There it is. Head 1 dot visible. Mine remembered it from yesterday. You'll probably have to hit V the first time. True. Me dot pick head 2. Me dot button head 1 dot back color, again that remembers it from yesterday, equals, and I suggest you pick something a little bit more spectacular than my Alice blue that I had. The good news is you do not have to type color dot. It knows you're there, and then you just start typing the name of the color. How about red? And me dot button head 2 dot back color equal bisque. BI would get it. Okay? So let's run it and see if we can do that much. Okay. Head 1. Okay, my button did turn red and the other one turned bisque. Since I don't have head 2 programmed yet, I can't really test that, but it did show that one. Okay, head 2. Very, very similar code. If I am careful, pick head 2 visible, pick head 1 invisible, button head 2 is going to be red, button head 1 is going to be bisque. I'll put in comments right away here. Okay. Since the comments are so duplicated for the next particular one, I don't see that as a necessity to duplicate all of them. Perhaps sometimes, but not necessarily here. I do think you ought to put in comments for each of the three parts. Put in a set of comments for the body, a set of comments for the leg. But hey, let's run it. Now if I hit head 2, it should just be invisible because I don't have a head 2 yet. Good. Seems to be working. Come back for the next video and we'll talk about clear and exit. New concepts.